Buy all new Ring Video Doorbell 2nd generation at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Monitor your home your way with the all-new Ring Video Doorbell. Enjoy improved 1080p, HD video, crisper night vision, and adjustable motion zones including the added near zone that reduces false notifications. See, hear, and speak to anyone at your door from anywhere with Ring Video Doorbell. Get real-time notifications when visitors press your doorbell or trigger the built-in motion sensors. And adjust your motion settings so you can focus on key areas and only receive notifications when you want. Create a ring of security with the Ring app. Connect to all your Ring devices to see what's happening from a single dashboard, adjust your motion settings, and use live view to check in on your home at any time. Get even more out of all your Ring devices with Protect, a comprehensive service that lets you review what you missed. With Control Center, you can add and remove authorized client devices, shared users, and select linked accounts all from one place on your phone, tablet, or PC. Connect Ring Video Doorbell with Alexa for hands-free monitoring and convenience. When your video doorbell detects motion, your Echo device or Fire TV device will alert you, so you will always know who's there. And when you ask Alexa to talk to your front door, you can see, hear and speak to anyone captured on camera. Powered by the built-in rechargeable battery or connects to existing doorbell wires for constant power. Easily set up by connecting your Ring Video Doorbell to Wi-Fi through the Ring app and mounting with the included tools. 1080p HD video doorbell with enhanced features that let you see, hear, and speak to anyone from your phone, tablet, or PC. Pair with select Alexa-enabled devices to enable announcements and two-way talk for convenient in-home monitoring. Simple to set up and use. Just follow the steps in the app to connect to Wi-Fi and adjust your settings. Install the mounting bracket in your ideal location. Click your Ring Video Doorbell into place. Now you're ready to protect.